Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know-It-All here. Today we're going to cover a coin called Coin2Play. So first things first, let's check their Bitcoin talk thread. They have a junior member, so that gets the check mark. They have about 11 pages of content here since August 8th. That's pretty good. It's only been around for about a month. Looks like they are listed on CryptoBridge and Coin Exchange, which are two pretty good exchanges, I'd say, for the Masternode community. Check the volume today, around $9,000. I get to check mark today. I realize that it's mostly selling volume, but this is a newer coin, so I think that it's going to go through its cycle here. You need 10,000 coins of collateral, and it's producing about four masternodes a day. There's only 27 active nodes. So guys, this is a chance to get in early on something. Let's check out coin distribution, top 100 wallets here. So my rule typically is under 50%, and it is just under that. So that gets the check mark. Looks like there is some good distribution in the top 100 here. Let's check out, I think that this is the pre-mine wallet. Let's just check this out real quick. Yeah, so it just looks like some mining going on here. Nothing too big of a deal, so that's good. That gets a check mark. In terms of their team and their website, let's have a look at their website here. So this is their roadmap. Looks like they plan on doing a lot more listings and a web wallet release this quarter, Blockfolio listing, CoinMarketCap listing. So all good things to get some nice exposure in the market. And then quarter one of 19, they plan on building a casino platform. Now this is a great use case for the coin. So let's talk about that a little bit. The use case for the coin will be what looks like people will be able to, gamble on their platform using their currency. Guys, that's going to give them quite a use case because every time transaction occurs, aka a hand is dealt or a tournament entry happens or in a cash game, I guess like the rake is all going to be done as in their currency. Let's check out their Discord. All right, so it looks like they just updated their wallet yesterday. Looks like they come out with announcements every day or every other day, so that's good. We've got some good activity here. Get some nice updates here. They have a big bounty program going on from September 5th to October 3rd. You can earn around 3,000 Coin2Play coins. Guys, this is not financial advice. Please remember that. Please buy at your own risk. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because I do this content for you guys. You guys can also join my Discord and try to talk to me there. I will answer any of your questions about any other coins, maybe coins that I haven't reviewed yet. So please do check that out as well. The Discord gets the check mark, guys. Let's see what their reward schedule is looking like right now. So the best time or like the highest rewards you can get as a node would be at the 35,000 block level. So currently we're at just that, the 36,000 block level. So guys, this is the highest reward that you're going to get in this coin right now as a masternode. And looks like their staker, this is also the highest for the staking. So the staking actually looks like it's about 50% of what the masternode reward is. So staking looks like it's also going to be pretty profitable. You can ask me questions about staking as well and how to set up your wallet that way. All right, guys, thanks for choosing Mr. Know-It-All today. And I will give this coin, I would say a 8 out of 10 because they actually have interesting use case for the coin as a casino platform. However, the legalities of opening a casino can maybe cause issues depending on where they open their business. So that's something to look out for, guys. Aside from that, assuming that they know what they are doing, I give this project an 8 out of 10. And thanks for listening, guys. We'll talk to you soon.